From Old Town to downtown, there's always something interesting to see in historic Petersburg, Virginia. Today, we're going to 20 East Tabb Street to take a look at the exterior of the Hotel Petersburg, currently being extensively refurbished to its former glory. Historic Hotel Petersburg, originally opened in 1916, it is about to welcome guests once again early 2025. In its heyday, during the first half of the 20th century, it was known as a center for social events and business meetings. The hotel, located within the city's historic courthouse district, one of 8 recognized by the National Register of Historic Places. While retaining much of its original style and charm, it will now offer a boutique hotel experience here in the heart of historic Old Town.